that over there? I don't know. I don't know what it was. She said, "What you up to?" She had this face like, "What you up to?" All right. Thank you.
I don't know who's your husband. She goes, there's that one over there. I said,
Give it back, Daddy. Give it back. Where's your mac and cheese?
Where'd it go? Look, I got you. I got you so good.